Do you know how snakes see you? And can you guess if it is going to rain or not by looking at your coffee mug? You can sell your tears and earn money. Hello friends, this is Lexi, and in this video, you are going to know some very interesting facts from my channel, AMAZE Me. Let's start. Fact number 16. You will be amazed after the first fact of the video. When you become very famous and have a big number of followers, you can sell anything to your fans. Here's an example. Look at this picture. It is artist shit. In 1961, an Italian artist, Piero Manzoni, introduced to the market his artist shit cans. He had 90 tins for sale. The amazing fact is that people bought them. He died after 2 years of producing these tins. An interesting fact is that a tin was sold in 2007 for the price of $150,000. One was sold in 2008 for $135,000. In 2015, one was sold for the price of $250,000, and one was sold in 2016 for $335,000. Very valuable shit. Oh my god, please help me become famous. Please subscribe to my channel. I promise I will not sell anything like this to you. Promise. Fact number 15. In Indonesia, you find black chicken. These black chickens are called Ayam Cemani. Fact number 14. There's an island named Alcatraz in San Francisco Bay, where there had been a prison before 1963. During that period, this was the only prison to offer its prisoners hot showers. But it had nothing to do with being kind to the prisoners. The belief was that if the prisoners were used to the hot water from the showers, they'd be unable to cope with the frigid waters of the bay and would be deterred from attempting to escape. Amazing conspiracy! Fact number 13. This is Richard Chase, a serial killer who terrified Northern California during the late 1970s. This man was known also as the Vampire Killer and the Vampire of Sacramento. Chase was a literal, in real-life vampire. Yes, he drank the blood of his victims. He was also called Dracula. To him, the open doors meant open invitation of evil. Closed doors mean nobody can harm that house. So, he was entering the houses which are open, unlike other burglars who enter the houses which are closed. Fact number 12. Shrimps are born male, but slowly grow into females as they mature. I am not talking about TikTokers. Fact number 11. In China, a 3-story house stands in the middle of a road because the couple living in the house refused to move because of a dispute about compensation. The government built the road and left their house as it was. But today, the couple is tired of the noise and air pollution. There are other small houses like this. Look at the pictures. Fact number 10. There was a pet penguin in Japan before 1996 named Lala. Lala, the king penguin, spent his days living in an air-conditioned room and roamed around the streets of his town. It was able to buy fish from a market on its own, so its owners placed a tiny bag on its back. Clearly, it must have been quite a sight for villagers to see the penguin wandering around with his tiny backpack. Fact number 9. Which is the most nutritious fruit in the world? What would you say? Apple, orange, or banana? Wrong. The fruit which has the maximum nutrients is the avocado. It contains more than 25 nutrients. Fact number 8. This man is Bob Kirstein. He bought the domain name Microsoft2000.com in 1996. In 1998, Microsoft named its next product Windows 2000. They wanted to buy a domain Microsoft2000.com, so they contacted Bob Kirstein. When they were negotiating, Microsoft offered Bob a domain name Bob.com, which Microsoft had already purchased. They simply exchanged each other's domains and agreed not to sue each other for trademark or anything. Fact number 7. In Venezuela, over the Catatumbo River, lightning flashes 260 nights a year and up to 280 times per hour. It rages on for up to 10 hours each night. The persistent flashes of the lightning are so strong that they're clearly visible from 250 miles away. And because the storm lasts for up to 10 hours a night, there's almost near constant illumination of the surrounding areas. Fact number 6. In 1960, Orville Redenbacher hired an agency for $13,000 to suggest a brand name for his company. The agency suggested a very nice name to him. They asked him to keep his company name Orville Redenbacher. That means if your name is James Bond and you hire a company to suggest you a brand name for your business, they will take $13,000 and suggest you your name James Bond for your business. What intelligent people we have in our world. Fact number 5. Many people wish they could get drunk without having to spend a fortune. Meet Nick Hess, who suffers from auto-brewery syndrome, a condition that means his stomach turns carbs into alcohol. Whatever he eats turns into alcohol, and he feels like he is drunk. Even if he eats bread, pizza, donut, or a sandwich, he feels hungover. His blood alcohol level is always up to 120 milligrams per 100 milliliters of blood, the same as having 7 shots of whiskey. Fact number 4. There is a store in London, Hoxton Street Monster Supplies. Here, you can buy salt made from tears of humans. Our tears are salty, and this store sells salt made of our tears. They also have varieties. We get tears in different emotions like anger, laughter, sorrow, etc. This store sells the salt of the emotional tears variety. They believe the salt is different in our different emotional tears. They sell salt made from tears of envy, laughter, sorrow, anger, boredom, and sneezing. You can sell your tears to this store for money. Fact number 3. This old man is Dobry Dobrev. For the past 15 years, he daily walked over 12 miles to beg and collect money. The raised funds were not used for himself. He was donating all the collection to charities, orphanages, churches, and monasteries. He died at the age of 103 in 2018. Salute to this man. Please donate 1 like for this noble man. Fact number 2. Atmospheric pressure can affect your coffee surface. Generally, the bubbles on your coffee mug stay on borders. If the bubbles on your coffee are centered, you can take it as a sign that it's going to rain. Fact number 1. Do you think snakes see the world as we do? No. The snakes see the world in yellow and red color. Snakes have holes on their face called pit organs, which contain a membrane that can detect infrared radiation from warm bodies up to 1 meter away. They can see heat of their prey. They cannot see your face and identify you. They just see you as a red object which has hot temperature. This is not the reason snakes should not be treated as pets. If you feed a snake, it does not guarantee that it will not bite you, because it cannot identify who fed it and whom is biting. And a bonus fact. After subscribing to this video and hitting the like button, go to Google and search 50 most popular women. Then, see who is at number 7. So friends, which of these facts amazed you? Please mention in the comment box. Please hit a like button and also subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this.